Alright guys, so I hope I'm speaking loud enough for you. So I'm going to show you guys how I edit my thumbnails and how I do like PicMonkey stuff. So I'm going to go and I'm going to find my Safari and show you guys that in Safari, PicMonkey.com, you cannot edit in Safari. You have to edit in Chrome or Firefox or whatever. I have a MacBook, so let me show you guys. 720. So now I put in 1280 by 720. Reason being is the only dimensions that YouTube thumbnails accept that will not give you the black box. It will give you the exact. PicMonkey no longer works on your version of Adobe. See, so I have to close this out, and then I have to go and open my Chrome, which is already open down here. So now I go to PicMonkey. So I got to so when you go across these here, different things come up. So I got to design and I just scroll down and I click over to custom and I click custom and I type in 12. Remember this guy is 1280. Press tab by 720, and this will not give you the black box. It will give you guys the full length of the picture without anything missing. So now I'm going to come over here on my left hand side and you see it's already on canvas color. So I'm going to click transparent canvas and I'm going to click apply. If you don't click apply, the it won't be applied, it won't be done. So I'm going to click the butterfly still on your left hand side, and then I'm going to go to my own, or your own rather. So when you go to your own, you're actually going into your own personal end on your laptop or computer, whatever you use, and I'm going to find my little logos that I use. Did I delete? I think I deleted some, but let's just go. So I'm going to click the Snapchat one, and I'm going to go to your own, and I'm going to click the Instagram one. Then I'm going to click, so I'm just clicking your own and I'm going into just finding where I put my stuff. Just looking for where I put my stuff. So I'm looking for, like, I want to show you guys my little logo there. My Twitter open, and this is actually going to be my new logo that I'm going to make with you guys, because I realized that Rochester is not on my Facebook, so I have to create a new one. My Christmas tree. Oh, and to find these images I just googled PNG, like Twitter PNG, Instagram PNG, and I'm not quite sure what PNG means, but I know it means that your background is transparent. So for example, let me come up here and search. So I'm going to search Periscope PNG, enter, then I go to images and I'm going to click icon over here, and then I'm going to click this one right here. See these boxes behind it? These boxes behind it means it's transparent. So I can click view image and then double click on my keypad and then save as, and then I can save it to download. But I already have one, so I won't be downloading any. But just to show you guys, whenever you see the triangles like this, the triangles around it, it means it's transparent, and that means you won't get the white box. So it will be like a clear image. So here we are right now. Oh, let me add my layer. Remember, add my Periscope logo. Here we are. Periscope. Okay, so now this comes up, overlay. This overlay comes up, and you go to basic, and you can change. Observe the periscope, because this is what is on, so you can fade it. You can add different things to it, darken it, lighten it, whatever you want to do, and it's clearly not changing. This only works, I think, with text. Then I can go to eraser, and I always turn down the harshness, which means it gives more of a blurred effect. You can turn it up and you can just erase. Command Z, but I don't want to do that, so yeah. So I'm going to do now is I'm going to put these together, and each one I click, the overlay comes up. Each one I click, you see coming up, so each one I click, it gives you the option to edit it how you want to. So now I'm just going to put these together. pulling down the ends here, putting these together. Just making sure it's the right size. And there. Then I'm going to click this image, the hat, and then I'm going to click the double arrows facing horizontally, and I can twist it, or I can put the horizontals facing vertically, and it can be that way. So I want that. Then I'm going to put it on my Instagram, make it a little bit smaller, but it looks like an actual hat. I'm going to put them closer together, bringing them closer together. And then I'm going to get the Christmas tree, and again I just search Christmas tree PNG, and that's that. And then I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to write, and I'm going to click TT. If this means T, the text comes up. That means touch up, that means effects, that means basic edits. This one is frames, so I'm going to click text because that's what I want. Then I just cracked my fingers. Then wait for this to load up. Great. Then I'm going to click Bodai XT, then click add text, and then this box comes up. I'm going to click inside the box and write my name in all caps, Lyric Rochester. Y'all's queen, working, living though. Then I'm going to put this, hold on, make sure that this little 4 arrow comes up so that you can move it. Then I'm going to put it right under here. Then I am going to go ahead and I'm going to add some diamond thingies. Where do I go? Overlays. So I'm going to scroll down until I see sparkle stars. Click one and add it. So I get sparkle stars. Sparkle stars. Going to make it a little bit smaller for the sparkle stars. So I'm going to close this. Click this again because I like this sparkle star the bestest. The bestest. Put this under here. Sparkle stars. Sparkle stars. Do I need another? Do I need another? Do I need another? Do I need another? No. Okay. So the reason why I'll put this transparent screen, I'm going to save this and put I'm going to save it as a new black logo. And I say a new because I have a new, oh it should be 2 A's because I said a new already, and I want to, when I go into my thingy, you see how it comes up over here on the right hand side, it comes up like that, and that's beautiful with the stars and stuff. That's really cute. So I'm going to save it, save to my computer, then I'm going to save it to downloads. I have to go up in my computer and delete a lot of stuff. Then I'm going to go back to the letters, Command A, sorry, where is it? Yeah. Then I'm going to go over here, I'm going to color, I'm going to go all the way up to white, because sometimes in my videos the black doesn't show, so I'm going to save as white as well. Then save. Then this is why I put new logo white. It means it's the color of the text. White. Alright, so then let me show you guys what that looks like in my iMovie. I'm going to click iMovie here. Just waiting, you guys, for this thing to load. I think there's something wrong with my laptop, and that's why I want to get the iMac to edit, because I just think this is slow. Like, why is my iMovie taking forever? Why? But that was gross. So let me go ahead and, oh no, if I press mute it might mute me. Okay, so I edited this one here, and let me show you guys. Looks like, shh. This is what it looks like down here on the top, on the bottom right corner. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to exit, and I'm going to show you guys what this one looks like now. So I'm just going to delete that. Then I'm going to go into Finder, which I already clicked, and it's didn't. Oh, I didn't click it. There. Then I'm going to go to Downloads because I saved it in Downloads. And these are talking about where I say new. Wait there. I just sang them that. What's this? What's this? What's this demonic thing? What's this? Here we go. A new logo. A new logo. I'm looking for. Where is it? Hold on. You guys can see all my life. All my life. Alright. I can't find it. Alright. That is beautiful. Did I pass it? No, I did not. That is. Oh, here we go. A new logo, and I'm going to click white. So now I'm going to pull it into the clip. Sorry, pull it into the clip. Then I'm going to grab at where I see these two arrows come up, these two horizontal arrows, hold down and pull it. Then I'm going to click the clip to highlight it. Click that little double box up there. So the double box. So I'm clicking the double box, and it gives me options. So I'm going to click cutaway. That's a picture in picture, and it gets smaller because the picture is going to be within the picture. Then I can make it big as how I want it to. I'm going to store it right down here. Then I'm going to come up here and click cropping. You see it's highlighted. Color correction, color balance, videos overlay settings. I'm going to go to cropping, click that, and I'm going to click fit. Fit allows it to stay one place. Ken Burns allows it to move, and crop to fill. You can crop to fill, but I don't want to. Just want to click fit, click the sticky, and then we're good to go. This is my logo thingy, and that's how I make it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for the continued support. Now I'm gonna go and see if I can record other stuff that I do in PicMonkey so that you guys can see how I make my videos all pretty and stuff. You can even change the background to white and allow this to be your like your banner on Facebook, because that's what I did on my Facebook banner. So I'm going to go to basic edits, click canvas color, and then see it's white. Something not sure right so. Look for the right so. Why isn't it showing? That's weird. The periscope not showing when I click the white background, or I can do blue background, whatever background I want to do. But whatever background. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's nice. Nice and festive. Yeah. So that's it, you guys. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.